Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to this week's weekly analysis. So quickly I'm going to take you to the charts. I'm going to be showing you all I'm going to be expecting to trade in this new week, my market perception, my directional bias, what I'm expecting to see in the market, what I will be doing once I find my setup in the market. And I want to encourage you all, make sure you take it seriously. I hope you back tested. I hope you are sticking to your strategy in this coming week. I hope you're ready to make money this week. So straight up, let's go to the chart so we can look what the chart is telling us for the new week. Let's go. Showing you the directional bias for the dollar index and take you straight into the directional bias for JPY. So now this is what the dollar index has done. Of course, you understand that it broke massively to the upside, giving us a massive bullish move. Now there is a bearish sign, okay, even though this is a consolidation. So we're going to wait for major breakouts to confirm bearish move or bullish moves. And if that happens, if it goes bearish, then we're going to look for bullish moves on GBP USD. So you can see the signs showing that already, coming most likely to this imbalance. Or if there's bearish on JPY, we're going to find, bullish on JPY, we're going to find bearish move on GBP USD. So you will stay active on that. I'm going to be telling you what to do with that. And JPY is showing us bearish sign, okay, maybe down to this week, and that on its own, well confirmed, would allow us to be able to go bullish with GBP JPY, as you can see, at least to this point, to this week, okay. And then for all of you on the VIP, I will be updating you on EJ, NJ, AJ, and the rest of the J's. And Silver has shown sign that it may be going bearish, okay. So I'm going to get that confirmation. I'm going to give you an update on that. Tesla is giving us bearish sign, and Ethereum, I already told you during the weekly review, that's giving us sign that we may most likely get bullish confirmations. US 30 has given us bearish sign, so we'll be going bearish on US 30 in this new week. And then GBP CHF has given us most likely a first bearish sign before any bullish move. And I think that will basically be all for this new week on Forex, crypto, CFDs. The weekly analysis is quite brief and straightforward because of what it looks like, okay. Because of how the market is, there's not much to discuss on that. So as for jump 15 and volatility, jump 25 and volatility 25, let me just quickly show you what I'm saying, because I think we should be training that as well. That's okay. First of all, for the free community, and then we have the one we're going to be trading with, the VIP community. So for the free community, let's look at it quickly. Alright, so this is volatility 25. It's coming up shortly. And this is volatility 25. You can see what it's doing currently. It looks like it's ranging. I think we can get bearish move on volatility 25. And for jump, see massive buy, we can get bearish move on that, okay. So stay. I hope with a few things you've seen with regards to the weekly analysis, you've been able to spot what you should do, what you shouldn't do. I hope you've been able to plan what your movement and your directional bias will be for the new week. Remember, I'll be live 1 p.m. always live Mondays GMT +1. Make sure you don't miss it. I will be live and I'll be showing you a lot, trading together. We'll find a setup, we take it together. If we don't, you wait for my update on the group. Until then, make sure you keep taking all the updates on the group and you keep to your strategy. Stick to your rules. Don't break your rules. The market is a little bit different this period because of all that's happening all around the world. Make sure you stay intact. Don't lose your money to the market, but rather make money this week. See you during the live trading session.